Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hare Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to our ISKCON Bulla official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Canto, 5th chapter, text 1 onward. From 1 to 18 describes how Nanda Maharaj celebrates Krishna's appearance, that is Nandotsava. So, in verse 1 and 2, Sukadeva Goswami says, नंदस्तु आत्मज उत्पन्ने जातल्हादो महामनः आहूय विप्रान् वेदज्ञान् स्नातः शुचिरलङ्कृतः वाचयित्वा स्वस्त्यनं जात कर्मात्मजस्य वै कारयमास विधिवत् पितृदेवार्चनं तथा. Sorry. That means, Sukadeva Goswami said, Nanda Maharaj was naturally very magnanimous, and when Lord Sri Krishna appeared as his son, he was overwhelmed by jubilation. Therefore, after bathing and purifying himself and dressing himself properly, he invited Brahmanas who knew how to recite Vedic mantras. After having these qualified Brahmanas recite auspicious Vedic hymns, he arranged to have the Vedic birth ceremony celebrated for his newborn child according to the rules and regulations, and he also arranged for worship of the demigods and forefathers. So in the purport, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj says that Srila Vishnu Thakur has discussed the significance of the words Nanda Tu. The word Tu, he says, is not used to fulfill the sentence, because without Tu the sentence is complete. Therefore, the word Tu is used for a different purpose. Although Krishna appeared as the son of Devaki, Devaki and Vasudeva didn't enjoy the Jata Karma, the festival of the birth ceremony. Instead, this ceremony was enjoyed by Nanda Maharaj, as stated here, Nandastu Atmana Utpanne Jatalada Mahamana. When Nanda Maharaj met Vasudeva, Vasudeva couldn't disclose. Sorry. Your son Krishna is actually my son. You are his father in a different way spiritually. Because of fear of Kansa, Vasudeva couldn't observe the festival for Krishna's birth. Nanda Maharaj, however, took full advantage of this opportunity. The Jata Karma ceremony can take place when the umbilical cord connecting the child and the placenta is cut. However, since Krishna was brought by Vasudeva to the house of Nanda Maharaj, whereas the chance for this to happen, in this regard, Vishnu Chakravarti desires to prove with evidence from many shastras that Krishna actually took birth as the son of Yashoda before the birth of Jogamaya, who is therefore described as the Lord's younger sister. Even though there may be doubt about the cutting of the umbilical cord, and even though it is possible that this was not done when the Supreme Personality of God appears, such events are regarded as factual. Krishna appeared as Varahadeva from the nostrils of Brahma, and therefore Brahma is described as the father of Varahadeva. Also significant are the words Karyamasa Vidhivat. Being overwhelmed with jubilation over the birth of his son, Nanda Maharaj didn't see whether the cord was not caught or not. Thus he performed the ceremony very gorgeously. According to the opinion of some authorities, Krishna was actually born as the son of Yashoda. In any case, without regard for material understanding, we can accept that Nanda Maharaj's celebration for the ceremony of Krishna's birth was proper. This ceremony is therefore well known everywhere as Nandotsava. So, I do not have to speak again the Sarartha Disindika Vishnu Chakravarti because Prabhupada Maharaj quoted from this Shastra, Saradasan Tika. So Siddhar Swami in his purport, Bhavarta Deepika says that Panchame Jata Karma Jatakam Nandaha Suno Krutva Mahotsavam Gatvatha Mathuram Prapa Vasudeva Agamotsavam. That means in 5th chapter, Srimad Bhagavatam, the 10th canto, we'll see that Jatakam Nanda Suno Krutva. Nanda Maharaj did this Jatakarma Sanskar, and also he welcomed Vasudeva or described Vasudeva about his son's birth. And also some other commentators like Sri Goswami in Kama Sandarbha, he says, says that he was absorbed in Krishna consciousness, Krishna Mahamana, but now he was his son. He was overjoyed. Previously it was said, Avivesan Sabhagena Mana. The Lord entered Vasudeva's mind with all his portions. Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 2nd chapter, text 16. In a similar manner, Nanda became overcome with special bhava. He had others do the ceremonies since he was stunned with bliss. Shiva Jiva Goswami also in Laghu Vaishnava Tosani gives purport, but I would like to quote from Brihad Vaishnava Tosani of Jiva Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. He says that this was actually his son. The son was the cause of his affection. The phrase Atmaja is repeated in the second verse to confirm this. Though Vasudeva, being affection to the Lord, who was his son, was anxious to protect him, and thus brought back Maya in exchange for his son. He is lesser in stature than Nanda in terms of pure bhakti, since he saw Krishna as the Supreme Lord. Then some devotees explain as follows. The one Lord was born as in Vasudeva's house and also was born along with Maya in Nanda's house. Because this fact is most confidential, it is not revealed here in Bhagavatam. In placing his son in exchange for the girl, the two became one. Thus Brahma says, Pasupanga Jaya, I offer respect to the son of the cowherd. It is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 14th chapter, text 1. By nature, Nanda was generous, Mahamana. When the son was born, he became blissful. This became the cause of a great festival. He called the Vipras, those who can excellently fulfill all desires. They were knowledgeable of the birth rights and rules of the Vedas. Shruti says, Javatir, as stated by Srila Prabhupada Maharaj, this cutting of navel, that point is said. Also, Sanatana Goswami says, he purified himself with Achamana and Vaishnav Tilak. He had the Brahmanas chant mantras like Bhuyas, Tvapi, and perform the ceremony for giving intelligence to his son. Then Karmaphalam Prayoktari, the result of action goes to the performer. This way, they had not to perform those rites because he was repeatedly stunned. This way, you will find that this Nandotsava is being stated. From 1 to 18, these 18 verses describe this point. So I will, in next chapter, next episode, I will describe from Canto, verse 3 onwards. So thank you very much for listening to this lecture, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel and get blessings of the heart. Hare Krishna.